Hello, welcome to part 3 of Birds and Wildlife of Western Ghats. Today we are exploring two new biodiversity hotspots, the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary and the hill stations of Munnar. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary and Tiger Reserve is located about 144 kilometers from Cochin International Airport and 110 kilometers from Kottayam railway station. The reserve is a popular family holiday destination. It is about 4,000 feet above the sea level. If you are here for bird watching, the best option is to do nature walk. There are two sessions, one in the morning and the other in the afternoon. You may be able to see a few rare birds on these walks. The trail we are on now is non-habitat of Wayanad laughing thrush. The forest around is lush and is a treat to our eyes. The only issue here is the leeches. They are aggressive and they are everywhere. I have placed a link to an article on how to manage leeches for your reference. My local guide knew a nesting area. We saw a pair of Wayanad laughing thrush after an hour-long search. Mission accomplished. Periyar is known for its great Indian hornbill population. Good morning. Now I am at the Periyar Boat Safari area. This is the Tiger Reserve. Boat Safari on Lake Periyar is the main activity of this place. Seeing a tiger, here is a distant tree. The authorities are promoting this area as a must tourism destination. So if you are here on a wildlife expedition, you may get slightly disappointed. You are likely to see crowd wherever you go. However, if you have time, do this boat safari. We never know what nature will reveal to us. I am going to board a boat now. The boat safari will last for almost 1.5 hours. Wish me good luck. This is the famous Lake Palace Hotel situated inside the Tiger Reserve. If you want to learn more about this hotel's facilities and rates, please check out the description. Oh, it is an Indian bison. Elephants and Indian bisons are the two commonly seen mammals during boat safaris. So the ride is over. Our next destination is Munnar. It is about 90 kilometers from Periyar and the drive takes about 3 hours. Munnar is a popular hill station and also a good birding place. Bodimert, Gap Road, Pothamerd and Iravikulam National Park are the critical birding areas here. These mountain slopes here are home to one special bird, the yellow-throated bulbul. Birdwatchers from all over the world come here to see this bird. Other key birds you might see here are the black eagle, malcohos and rufous babbler. A fascinating collection. On the Gap Road, there are few locations for white-bellied Sholakili, probably the most sought after species in Munnar. We also spotted the Nilgiri flycatcher oriental white-eye, and a restless Palani laughing thrush, another endemic during our short trip to Munnar. Unfortunately, we could not visit the Iravigalam National Park. It was closed to visitors as it is the breeding season for the endangered Nilgiri tar. This happens every year. So, before planning your trip, please check with your guide about the breeding season breaks. My guide Sanu showed me sholas, the small forest patches in the tea garden, which is a unique habitat and ecosystem. Sanu is a wonderful tour guide and a travel companion. I learned a lot about birds and wildlife of Western Ghats in this trip. Now it is time for me to go home. Thank you for watching.